Welcome to another episode of our SQL tutorial series. Today, we are diving deep into the where clause, a powerful tool in SQL that lets you filter and retrieve specific data from your database. By the end of this video, you'll be a where clause expert. Watch the video till the end. So, let's get started. The where clause is used in SQL to filter rows from a table based on a specified condition. It comes after the select statement and before the from statement in your SQL query. To understand the where clause, you need to grasp the basic comparison operators. These include is equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to, which can be denoted both as shown on screen. Let's start with filtering using equality. Suppose we have a table of employees and we want to find all employees with the job title IT staff. This is the syntax for the same. Now, let's run the query and see the result, how it works. Next, we have inequality. This allows us to find records where a column is not equal to a specific value. Let's say we want to find employees who are not sales manager. Let's try using the other not equal to operator. Often, you need to combine conditions using logical operators. And or are used to do just that. Here, we can set the filters on same field or different fields depending on our requirement. Here in our first example, we want to filter the data for employees whose first name is Jane and works as sales support agent. In our second example, we want to filter the data for employees who works as IT manager or sales manager. The like operator lets you perform wildcard searches. It's incredibly useful when you need to find records based on partial matches. For instance, we can find employees with names starting with M. Similarly, we can find employees whose names are not starting with M. Dealing with null values. No problem. You can use is_null or is_not_null to filter rows with or without null values. In our example, we are filtering employees as per reports to column as null or not null values. In second example, we will filter employees where report to column is null. To unleash the full potential of the where clause, you can combine multiple conditions. Let's find employees who are either sales managers or have joined after 2002. Now, let's try using less than operator. Let's find employees who are either sales managers or have joined before 2003. Understanding the where clause is essential for real-world applications. It's used in everything from e-commerce websites to financial systems and beyond. Every organization, big or small, has data. They need to maintain the data. They have employee data, customer data, suppliers data, etc. And there you have it, the where clause demystified. You can now filter, sort, and retrieve data from your database with precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more SQL insights. And remember, practice makes perfect. Stay connected to learn it more. Happy querying!